Hello. I hope you're all doing well. I've been doing a lot of research about goal setting and planning, and everything I've been reading has said how important it is to write it down and also speak it out into the universe. So I was thinking I would get on and make a video about my sewing plans for 2021 and also my YouTube content plans. I still want to remain mysterious, so I'm not going to bore you with every detail, but this will give you kind of a taste of what is to come for this year and also help me be a little bit more accountable. So let's start with sewing. So this last year really helped me narrow down what it is I like to wear all the time, which is comfortable, not too fussy, preferably doesn't need to be ironed, but also cute. Also bonus points if I don't have to wear a bra. I also really need to purge my closet and my drawers because I really don't have a lot of real estate and there's a lot of stuff that I don't really wear much. So I need to make sure that I'm utilizing my space very well. I'm also going to try really hard not to buy any more fabric for these projects because I have a lot of it, and that's another thing I don't have a lot of real estate for. So I'm gonna hopefully only shop my stash. Please help keep me accountable. I am going to allow myself to buy lining fabric and just like muslin fabric or fabric to use as interfacing. I don't really buy interfacing very much. So I will allow those things. Also trim and notions, of course, but in terms of fashion fabric, no more. I have 12 projects planned for the year, 12 official sewing projects. Hopefully I can sew a little bit more than that, but I've got 12 official projects planned, one of which is vintage style jeans. Finally, I've also got some more trouser patterns to sew, and I've got some embroidery projects lined up. Also on my list is some loungewear, finally, also, and a pretty dress or two. All right, so moving on to YouTube content. Of course, I mentioned some project videos, but I also have some technique videos planned and some vintage sewing techniques planned. But let me know if there's anything specific you'd like to see because I might be able to work that in. As far as other YouTube stuff goes, I sat down and made the most detailed plan I probably ever made for anything in my life. So I'm feeling really good about being able to execute it. I think, of course, the best plans are subject to change at times, but just having a plan is huge because it's not normally how I operate. So I'm really excited to just try to stick with the plan and get out a video a week for all of you and myself. I've also got some more outfit and styling kind of videos planned and some more hair videos, maybe some more makeup videos possibly, but some more videos to help you kind of narrow down your specific vintage aesthetic and silhouettes that work best for you. So I'm really excited about that. So one more topic that I would like to touch on more often is mental health and wellness. I haven't really talked about it a lot on my YouTube or really much on my Instagram either, but I am very passionate about helping people feel better mentally because I have been on this journey now for a few years of reframing how I think about myself and feel about myself, and going to therapy and just reading a lot of self-help kind of books and reframing just really how I think about everything. And I feel so much better. I have to tell you, I just feel like I can't keep this stuff to myself. Like I have to share it with you. I'm really excited to make some content like that, so please look forward to that. So I'm planning on having a new video out every Tuesday. If that changes, I will let you know. So please expect a video on Tuesdays from now on. And actually, you know what? Now would be the perfect time to subscribe. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit the little bell notification if you hadn't done that either, because it will actually tell you when I upload, it being YouTube. So if you do that, then you won't miss any of this wonderful content. And I won't miss you either. And if you would like some more community, then join my Facebook sewing group, which is Vintage Sewing with Liz. And just make sure you answer the questions on there. It makes it easier for me to accept you into the group and keeps all the creepers out and the bots out, which is a win-win. But anyway, thank you as always so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.